What's up, y'all? I am Kanin Cuisine, and we in the middle of a whole quarantine. You hear me? So that means you either eating at McDonald's, Popeye, and them, eating gas station food, old dried up chicken tenders and old stale potato wedges can on, or you at home cooking them same 3, 4, 5 recipes you been cooking. Either cause you scared, ain't nobody never showed you. That's gonna change today. We're gonna start out with this first quarantine meal, and it is roasted salmon with roasted fennel with an orange cream sauce. We're gonna pour all up around that thing, all up across that thing. You hear me? It's gonna be so delicious, and you gonna love it. You can cook it all in the oven. You ain't gotta have no pots and pans, none of that. You just stick it in the oven, and it's gonna go and do what it do. You hear me? I'm finna show you how to do this, man. You gonna be scared, but you gonna do it. You heard me? Yeah. What's going on, y'all? Kanin Cuisine here with another delicious recipe for you for the quarantine season. You hear me? We doing salmon and we doing fennel today. We gonna cook this all in the oven. After the prep work, that's all you gotta do is put this in the oven, and this is gonna be a marvelous dish for you and your lady or your family or whoever you be with when you be with them. You hear me? All right, we got these fennel buds right here. We cut the stalks off and the fronds, and we're gonna use this OXO simple mandolin to do the work. You hear me? This gonna make your vegetables so pretty and save you time. You need to invest in one. The OXO simple mandolin. You hear me? All you do is set the level that you want, and you get to going just like this here. Take your time though, cause this thing will remove a piece of your finger. You hear me? It happened to me 3 times, and I said I'm gonna slow down and respect this thing, cause if you don't, it's gonna take a piece of your finger away. You hear me? It'll grow back, but it's gonna take it away for a little minute. You hear me? We want these real thin because we're gonna roast these in the oven. You want to cut it down to about right there. If you want any more of that off, I suggest you use your knife. Don't go no more with that mandolin. You hear me? All right, we're gonna put plenty of olive oil on here because we roasting this in the oven. We're gonna roast this at 450 degrees. That's a good roasting temperature. We're gonna put salt and cracked pepper on here. We're gonna use kosher salt when we cook it always. If you follow me on my recipe, kosher salt, cause table salt is for what? The table. You hear me? We don't want that on our food. We want that kosher salt. We can control the salt way more better with that. You want to get you a pepper mill so you can have fresh cracked black pepper, cause ground black pepper ain't the same flavor as that fresh cracked. You hear me? And then we're gonna take this after we massage it with our hands. I like getting personal with my food. You hear me? Go on, put your hands in there, get to know this food. You know, get your connection with that food, get all that seasoning and that oil all up in there real good. Cause we gonna slap this in the oven at 450. Like I said, we gonna roast this for approximately 12 minutes. We trying to get this a head start cause the fish ain't gonna take that long. So set this at 450. You know, if you got, everybody oven different. So you might have to watch your food if you ain't used to cooking at 450. This right here is a microplane. Microplane is a great brand if you want to use tools for getting zest or shredding the cheese, like Parmesan cheese. When you buy the real Parmesan cheese like me, this is the device you'll need. See how easily it got the zest off? Look at that. Marvelous. So anytime you get juice from a lemon or orange, you also want to get the zest. It's going to reinforce the citrus flavor that you want. You hear me? Yeah, look at your boy. I like cooking. You hear me, man? It turned me on. You ain't gonna never see this side unless you see some food around me. You see some food around me, this is how I am, because food excites me. You hear me? I love doing this. We're gonna slice this salmon up. You just seen me do it before. Pay attention real close. If this is your first time, it's real simple, real quick. You follow this pattern right here, you're gonna be fine with the salmon every time. You hear me? Yeah, buddy. Nice smooth strokes. The next move gonna be oiling up these fish fillets. We're gonna take olive oil and oil these up real good, because remember, we roasting, so we trying to protect this fish the best we can. We want this salmon to stay moist. So go on, get in there with your hands. Get a connection, because you ain't got no connection. You're going to have a bad reflection. You hear me? I just made that up. It sound cool. It makes sense, though. You hear me? Next, we're going to come with the kosher salt. We got this all oiled up. Kosher salt, because we ain't going to use that table salt. Once again, I know you just itching to use that table salt, man, but I'm telling you, kosher salt is the move. So make sure you season it up high. When you season from up high, you cover your food better, and you have less of a risk of over salting your food. And we're gonna come with that cracked black pepper. Keep that up high as well. Anytime you season, you're gonna come from up high. And then there go the secret ingredient. I know you might not have this, but make sure you read that cover of that can right there, cause fennel pollen. That's the business, you hear me, man? Anytime you got some salmon and some fennel, or you just want to put it on the salmon anyway, just because, fennel pollen is the move. It'll take your salmon to the next level. I love it. But you got to order it online. You ain't going to find it in the store. Ain't no store ever had that I seen, you hear me? But you get you some fennel pollen, man, going to change your life. It's kind of like brother and sister, like I say all the time. There's certain things like brother and sister. You see them jazz hands? Woo, that magic was coming off. Here we go. We're going to pull the fennel up out the oven. We're going to do a quick little stir. Massage in the oil, redistribute the oil and the seasoning. See all that hot steam coming up off of there? Yeah, that's how you know it's roasting. Yeah, take your time. Enjoy this trip, because you're going to be eating good. And you ain't did nothing hard. You ain't seen nothing hard yet. I already know you ain't. And see, right here, we're going to come with some fresh thyme. Just tear the leaves off the stem and put thyme all over there as much as you desire. The more you cook with different ingredients, you're going to know how much you like on certain things. But I don't think it's a such thing as too much thyme, in my opinion. And see, next we're going to put this in a pile. We're going to pile it all up. It's roasted. It got us a good head start. So now we're going to put it in a pile, because we're going to put the salmon on top and let all the salmon juices just fall up in between, all up in the fennel to give it a nice seafood taste. You're going to love it. See, ain't nothing hard yet. We just stacking it on there, taking our time. Make sure we place it on there properly. Yeah, getting all in there with your hand. Then we're going to come with a little orange zest. That orange zest we took off earlier, we putting it on there now. It's going to give it a nice citrus flavor here. You're going to love it. You're going to feel like you're a real chef. You hear me? That's what I feel like the first time I did this. And it's simple, and you can do it. Don't be scared. Yeah, just make sure you cover it all over and slap it back in the oven. But we're going to take the temperature down this time to 400. We don't need no 450. And this is the ingredients for your sauce. It's going to be orange juice, cream cheese, garlic cloves, rosemary, and thyme. A little salt and pepper. You're going to cut that fire on, and you're going to simmer and whisk until it melt down real good. And then, bam, orange cream sauce. You hear me? It's going to be so fire. It's going to be so simple. And you did it at home. You're going to be so excited when you eat it. Like, man, I can't believe I did it, but you can do it. You hear me? Check that out. Straight out the oven after 10 to 12 more minutes, you all done. And you ain't doing nothing but put it in the oven. I'm going to keep on saying it. That's all you did was put it in the oven. Look at it. It's so gorgeous. Now wait till you put it on the plate. It's going to be even more gorgeous. You hear me? Yeah, scoot that to the side, and we're going to get our plate on. The plating is my favorite part. Making it look delicious so somebody want to go on, eat off in it. Ooh, that's hot. You see my hand jump back? Yeah, put that on there gently. I like plating. I like making it look all sexy. Make your mouth water, make you want to go on, jump on in there. See, this going to be you. This going to be you when you give it a try. You hear me? Now I gotta pick the right piece of fish Cause my wife, she get the best offering. This Cuisine, she get my best. Most times gonna be the first. Cause if this food ain't right, she gonna be like, I don't like that. And to avoid all that, I don't like that, I gonna put my best foot forward, you hear me? Gonna put this sauce on here. Man, this sauce is killing. This sauce better than the fish and the fennel, you hear me? And now you can do it too. Just swirl it on around there like, like you a chef or something, you hear me? Gonna do it just like that. And man, you gonna feel so proud when you get through with it. You gonna feel like you went somewhere. But guess what? You at home. You hear me? Roasted salmon and fennel with orange cream sauce. This might be somebody's first chefy dish. And you did it at home. Wherever you live at, you did it. You hear me? Slap yourself. All right, y'all. It's time to taste this thing. I don't know if y'all can just see it real good. I'm working with limited space. But yeah. Get a little salmon and get a little fennel in that thing. Woo! I know I ain't just sexy when I eat, but man, this thing busting, and you can do it at the house in the oven. It's so simple. I love it. I love it just because it's simple. You ain't really gotta do nothing but cut up the fish and cut up the salmon, and then roast it in the oven. You put the salmon in there with the fennel, and put the fennel powder on there. You can burn it. Man, it's busting. You gonna feel like you went somewhere, but you what? At home. You hear me? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That's how I feel. I just can't express that all the time, but right now, oh, that's how I feel when I eat my food. You hear me? And then pretty soon, shoot, my food gonna be your food. How you love that, you hear me? Thank you so much for tuning in to the Kanin Cuisine channel. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to tell somebody else about these videos. And don't forget to put a big old hashtag, you hear me, in the comments. And don't forget to comment, tell me how you feel, what you might want to see in the next video or whatever. I love it all. I appreciate you staying here this long. So you stay here this long, that means you must like this John D and dog, you hear me?